Resampling is just a training cycle. It's how algorithms learn. Resampling is just a umbrella word or the concept of how you train an algorithm. Here's the data, try it against the model. Here's what we learned, right? Here's the metrics that changed. But that is effectively what resampling is. There's different ways to do resampling, and those ways have different approaches. But when you think of resampling and the ways to do resampling, you should be thinking about, oh yeah, that's the training of a model. That's how a model learns, right? So some of you mentioned some of these terms that are now up on the screen, right? We saw people mention cross-validation. We saw people mention bootstrap in the earlier conversation. So I don't want you to kind of get confused in those, right? Because when you think about cross-validation is resampling. Bootstrap is also resampling. So by definition, cross-validation is the process that you use it's a process that an algorithm goes through to learn. Cross-validation is a way that an algorithm learns. So is Bootstrap. Because the algorithm is going out there, getting the samples, trying it against the model, and then trying it against the metrics, right? And then it makes adjustments and starts all over again. That's just kind of repeats that training cycle over and over again, right? But that's really what you should be thinking about when you hear resampling. Because see, I think some of the earlier answers kind of caught up in the sampling side of, oh, well, it must mean I don't have enough data, or I need to do this, and this, to kind of, try my data over and over again. Trying to get caught up in that, just think about how it's training. It's how the algorithm actually learns.